A forecast calling for the biggest winter storm in years has officially put people in go mode. Shoppers taking active steps at the Home Depot in Essex County, New Jersey, to pick up snow melt, shovels, and snow blowers for how much snow we don't exactly know.
You found it.
I found it.
But everyone here, including Chris, who drove an hour from Blairstown to get here for a snowblower, is betting it's going to be a lot.
I got one of the three.
Big two-stage snowblowers being wheeled out of here as fast as the staff can build them, and 50-pound bags of calcium chloride snowmelt snatched off pallets as quickly as the staff could unload them. Being prepared is the key.
I came yesterday, but after listening to you all, I came back.
We're going to be prepared.
Essex County officials, led by longtime county exec Joe DiVincenzo, also erring on the side of caution and telling the public Essex, unlike other areas of New Jersey, is in good shape.
But are you aware of any salt supply issues on the county level or on the municipality level?
We're fine for not only this storm, probably for the next storm. We have enough salt. We have 200 vehicles. We have plows, 200 plows. We have 20 plows that are on our side, and also we have 50 salters that are out there.
The official advice: don't wait.
So just stay off the road and, do what you have to do right now.
Are you getting this because you're worried about the power going out?
No, I just like the warmth of the wood. You know what I'm saying? So no, hopefully we won't lose power, but I have wood and I have salt just to be prepared, like the Boy Scout that I was, that's all. So we're ready, that's all.
Stay ready so you don't have to get ready.
There you go.
So when you go to the grocery store sometimes and something is on sale and it'll say a limit of 3 or 4. That's as many as you can buy in one transaction. That is not the case here. So I was at Home Depot last night at another location. I walked in as they were dropping down 4 pallets of that calcium chloride. By the time I left the store, 2 of those pallets had already been depleted. There are residential, commercial property owners with large properties and landscapers that are picking up a dozen bags. So the advice is, if you need snow melt, get to wherever you're going to get to today or tomorrow. I'm not sure you might find anything on the shelf if you wait until Saturday. We're live in Bloomfield, Essex County, New Jersey this evening. Jay Dow, Pix 11 News.
Yeah.